everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daman here again doing the another review video is today about the Swift. Swift is a web application that will help you to get traffic while you sleep. So whether you're a green as a cross newbie or experienced marketer who isn't seeing the results they want to online, so this will work out for you, okay? Because the Swift, it has some automation, does all the work for you on autopilot, so you don't have to do anything, okay? So if this sound is something interesting to you and you are looking something to attract, wants the free traffic to run your business or to make money, so then just stick with me, and then this is the right choice for you. Because I personally like the this software. I love it the way is just giving me services, okay? And then just be with me if you are interested. Then because I have some amazing custom made bonuses which I especially prepared for you, okay? I'll just show you, okay? So as you can see here, this is my bonus page. So this page will come down on May 13. So and clock is ticking again. If this sound is something interested to you and you want to get some benefit, then stick with me, okay? So what's the Swift is a traffic solution, okay? So one click app auto drives free traffic to any link from an untapped 110 million source in 39 seconds, okay? So let's first see the bonuses which I have made for you. So the bonus number one, those are picking the Swift by my link, which is given in the below in the YouTube description. I will be giving them the this free bonuses, okay? Is completely free. So the first bonus, which is access traffic Babylon in first 24 hour, okay? This is done by the John Armstrong. And the bonus number two, which is $47, is instant traffic jacker, okay? Instant traffic jacker was released by the John Armstrong last week. So the instant traffic, this is instant traffic jacker. So this is the online video training which is step by step. This is, as you can see here, this is the members area. Here's the home, webinar, step 2, modules for the training, and another bonuses. There is some special bonuses under this bonus, okay? That also is another benefit, okay? And this is for the support here. So step 1 you have is introduction and register for the webinar, and then just go through with this all information. This training is also basically for to get the more traffic, okay? So in this step 2 is activation. Step 3, then they will just start the course. This is a video training step by step, okay? So these all, okay, so and these all are about how to get the target traffic, download their past product as a bonuses, autoresponder sheet, landing page, traffic generation sheet, solo ad sheets, okay? And plus these the special bonuses, okay? Those will be taking this my bonus. So under this bonus there is some other further more bonuses, okay? So CPA quick sheet, easy web millionaire system, and there are so many other bonuses. Instagram CPA explosion, fast track, affiliating marketing power, social media crusher, affiliate training masterclass. There are so many, okay? So these all bonuses comes under this my bonus, which is for the bonus number 2, instant traffic checker. So the bonus number 3 which you will be getting, it is high quality tutorial, get some traffic strategies for your YouTube channel. So in this bonus you will be discover the importance of metric like video length, thumbnail, description for ranking your video, and you will know more about TubeBuddy.com for optimizing your keywords. keywords. And then the number 3, learn the benefit of collaborating with other YouTubers to promote your channel. So these all will come under this bonus. Get some traffic strategies for your YouTube channel. And bonus number 4, which is get track biz success. Under this bonus, biz success, this is a special bonus, tracking your business for success. Okay, systematically tracking your business success can reveal valuable insight on your overall operation. So in this course you will learn how using tools and data can help your business become more successful. So what you will learn: study your competition and understand your traffic by using Google Analytics, Kissmetric, etc. Number 2, develop forecast and action plans to tackle upcoming challenges, and then speed up your marketing effort by using geolocation. Okay, and then the last one, it is the special vendor bonuses. I'll take you to the members area. There I will just show you the all vendor bonuses which is available for you. So again, if you're interested to get this one, or if you were just looking this kind of software, the Swift, which does all the automatic work for you and it generate traffic for you while you're sleeping, then this is the right one. I personally, I really like this. I really like this one because it I'll just show you inside the members area what I mean. Okay, so again, if you're interested, then you can just click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timers hit 0. Okay, so when you will click here, then this one will take you to the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page here. This is sales page and this is a members area inside. I'll just come back here. Let's take a look for the sales page now. So this is the sales page. So this is the video here. Autopilot free traffic in 39 seconds, completely newbie friendly, perfect for beginners, no technical skill required. Tap into it, 110 million person traffic source. No website required, no video, no list, no attained freedom, and is 90 days money back guarantee. And again, if you want, then just click here, then this will give you the access to purchase this one. Okay, and these are some testimonials. So to get this one, this is the simple, there is a 3 steps. Step 1, buy Swift. Okay, then step 2, copy and paste any link you want the traffic sent to. I'll just show you in the members area. And step 3 is get the profit. Okay, and then just there are some more information. Go through and read. Okay, I will see. I'm just looking for the bonuses, the vendor bonuses. Okay, again, this is again introduction. Okay, some question: why it called Swift? How long does it take to get traffic? Are there any extra expense involved? Do I need to create content myself? What sets this apart from other push button apps? Okay, so then again, you're receiving everything. You need to get traffic with Swift app. You will get click auto drive technology is a case study, this training tutorial and support team. Okay, for $325 a day or more with Swift for 5 years. Okay, so this is more elaboration they have given. Okay, yeah, here. So these are some vendor bonuses. The bonus number 1, list building bonanza. So okay, although you do not need a build a list with Swift, we strongly encourage you to do so. But that's why we are going to throw a list building bonanza as a bonus, which lets you start collecting emails. Okay, which is for $297. Bonus number 2, 10-time conversion booster. This one, you're going to love this bonus. This bonus leverage power of scarcity, social proof to increase your affiliate sales and profit. This will ensure no money is left on the table. Bonus number 3, free training session. In this live training session, we are going to cover tips and tricks to make the most out of your purchase. Okay, so these are the special bonuses, and again 100% risk free guarantee. Okay, and there's a 90 days guarantee if you think no, this is not something for you. So these are the things which you will get in nutshell. You will get Swift web app, traffic extractor, training tutorial, bonuses, which I just explained you now. Okay, so let's go to the now members area. Okay, so this is a members area for Swift. As you can see here in the first page, there is a the videos demo video, and the second page there is a traffic campaign. So when you will click here the traffic campaign, you will just enter here the URL, then for your either for blog or websites, and click here create campaign from scratch or create campaign from blog. So these are the some campaign name. For example, this is the it was just generated is a make money online. So that when you if you want to get some PDF, just click here, or if you want to go to editor, just look for, oh, I think, okay, let's try here your internet lifestyle demo. Okay, yeah, so your internet lifestyle demo cloud hosting reviews. So then this it convert to in as a PDF. Okay, so then let's go and see here affiliate marketing 101. Okay, so this was the URL here. So export as a PDF or go to a editor. So let's see. Okay, so this is the editor here. Okay, and if you want to go to, let's go back. Okay, and we want the PDF here. When you will click here, that it will just turn into the PDF. So then yeah, you will get this PDF here. Okay, this is I really like this one. And there are some affiliate guide test, so whatever like you want to, if you have a URL, just put the URL there, and then it will just create is in the article. Okay, so then the next one is a slider campaign. So create new slider campaign. So these are the some which have they created. This is the video, this is a page URL. Then go to the export PDF from here. Let's see what it is. Generating, please wait. Yeah, so they're just they all the pictures or images which they just generated to as a PDF. Okay, and then go to editor. Yeah, so here if you want to change or edit or want to add any new image, you can do. If you don't know how to do, then there is a another option here, take a tour, then it will just guide you step by step. This is media setting and preview, and before publish it will give you the preview so you can see how it look like. Okay, so then the next one is content. Okay, so inside the content, so okay, so bonus crust, so these are all the some free PLR tools. So you can see here there are some 245 for internet marketing. These are some free PLR software, ebooks and videos, other newsletter, other tutorial, so many. Okay, let's see some ebook for internet marketing. Okay, so this one is, let's see, email marketing, free PLR traffic trigger. Okay, let's see this book. So yeah, so if you want, you can just download this book here. So okay, basically if you know, if you have any idea, you can just type right down here and just do search, that will comes up. Okay, then the next spin, you can just add your articles here or whatever you have it, just copy paste here, then just spin, then it will totally change it, and it will show you as in the new articles in a new style or new design. And automation. Okay, so this one here, these are the some upgrades which I will just show you in the price. So then submit and support. Now let's go and see some price. Okay. Okay, so what this all Swift is all about, this is the one thing that makes Swift different is its siphons traffic from completely untapped 80 million user source at the press of a button. While marketers are fighting fiercely on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, but this overlooked traffic sources is extremely lucrative. Okay, there is no competition. So the front end price is for $17. So in $17 you will access the powerful Swift software and training module, and then the next one is OTO 1, which is 39. You will get the Swift without limit, create unlimited campaign, and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside the account. Upsell 2, which is for $197. You will get the done for you traffic and sales for you, and upsell number 3 again is for $197, which inside you will get, they will fine tune Swift account to the optimal setting so it's ready to start generating traffic for you. Then OTO 4 is for $39, which you will get make money online is a great. So this upgrade will help you to automate Swift so you can start receiving traffic, okay, on autopilot. And again for 190, upsell 5 is for 197, in which it will help you with the monetization. Upsell 6 again $197. So inside you will get to use our proven sales page design, and will even let you use our support team, okay. And there are some other benefit which you may be interested in getting. So because it's the fastest traffic, finally you have all the breakthrough is online lifestyle traffic that lets you quit job, perfect for newbie, traffic that lets you enjoy 1,000 paydays and 100 days money back guarantee, okay. So again, if you those will be picking the Swift by my link, which is given below in the YouTube description, they will be giving my this custom made amazing bonuses. As you can see under this bonus there are another more multi bonuses is there, and plus the vendor bonuses. I will just show you that now again. So okay, so again guys, if you are interested something, you want to take a advantage for this, then you can just click here to secure the copy for bonuses, and or you can click the link below in the YouTube description. There is a link is there. When you will click there, that will take you to the sales page. Then from the sales page it will give you the access. Then you will go to the Warrior Plus here, as you can see in this window. Thank you. You will see the message, thank you for your purchase. Click here on the blue button to access your bonuses, okay. So that was, and this is the vendor bonuses here. There are some more other vendor bonuses, this all list here. So when you will get the copy of Swift, that you will get in your, you will get these bonuses, okay. Again, that's all. Thank you so much for watching my review, and I really appreciate your time. So again, uh, if you have any question, just leave your question below in the comment section. I will get back to you. So if you like my video, please don't forget to click like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel for my channel support. And again, thank you. I appreciate your time, and stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.